Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the Mw3 Camo is on the same publisher account you use for Bo6 because account mismatch blocks transfers. Once done, enable cloud sync and cross-progression in both games so unlocked data can travel. Make sure both titles are fully updated. Mismatched versions will prevent recognition. After that, open Mw3, navigate to Camos, and flag the specific Camo for export or sharing. This is the first actionable step that marks the asset for transfer. Now, export the Camo from Mw3 using the in-game share or export feature. This embeds metadata so Bo6 can detect it. Then launch Bo6 and go directly to the armory or gunsmith for the target weapon, because you must apply at weapon level. Choose Import Camo or Apply Shared Skin and pick the exported Mw3 Camo. The system checks ownership, compatibility, and resolution. If the engine shows a preview, confirm placement and save as a new loadout to finalize the import process. Finish by saving the modified loadout and testing the weapon in a private match so you can inspect the Camo on all attachments and ranges. If the Camo fails to appear, clear your local cache, fully log out and back into both accounts, then force a cloud resync. This usually resolves recognition delays. Also make sure the Camo is compatible with the Bo6 weapon model. Some Mw3 patterns won't map cleanly, so swapping to a compatible base skin often fixes alignment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.